Best.
Assalamualaikum, salam sayang dari aku Selfie. Untuk semuanya jangan lupa subscribe ya.
Tunggulah dulu, jangan hati aku jangan. Oh iya benar, marah padaku. Salahku jika banyak yang mau padaku. Hey, mari semua dan stuck in the door, but you're my first light. You're getting me through the night. Kanan deh. Aduh gatel. Makasih Mama Ara, enak sekali ini. Saya sudah habis. Ini saya sudah makan. Terbaik ikan tongkolnya.
Semua bangsat bercanda, semua baik. Gak juga gua benci, ingat.
Banyak cerita. Karena aku sanggup. Yeay, best loh. Kita bisa loh kayak kakak Agnes loh. Tanpa tapi itu emang best, tanpa tapi. Ciptaan Teh Meli emang best, terbaik emang. Aku juga Meli Guslo. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, cause I miss the snow till that will be freezing. And you are my own. Coba kesukaan kamu. Ini lagu kesukaan Cepi katanya. Coba nyanyi Friends. Oke. Jadi Cepi tuh suka lagu Friends. F-R-I-N-D-S.
Aku suka notasinya aja. Aku tuh kalau suka lagu itu dari notasi dulu baru tuh.
Baru keseluruhnya.
Betul.
Best.
Sama Flash.
Cepi yang ini lo udah tau kan? Yang
Belum.
Hey, you say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Oh, don't mess it up, taking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. You say you love me, that makes me crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going away without a fight. You can be reasoned with, I'm done being polite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? What can we set it up for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear obvious? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Hey, have you got no shame? You looking insane, turning above my door. It's 2 in the morning, the rain is pouring. Haven't we been here before? Don't mess it up, taking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you're gonna know shame, you're looking insane. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going away without a fight. You can be reasoned with, I'm done being polite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-A. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. R-I-E-N-D-S. That's how you uplift your friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Get that seed inside your head. Oh, apa ya? Aku mah buah aja. Aku tadi udah makan soal. We just friend.
Iya, apa pronunciation-nya tuh bagus. Ya pronunciation. Apa sih namanya? Pronunciation-nya bagus.
Jadi tuh, jadi dia juga lagi belajarnya tahu lagu barat. Jadi dia datang ke kamar, Ode ini Wawa ini dong lagu barat ini, terus dia belajar. Cepi juga mau belajar lagu barat, pasti best. Want me to spell it out for you? F-I-N-D-A. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-A. F-R-I-N-D-A. Apalagi lagu barat yang kamu sering dengar? Seven Rings. Ih, best loh. Kok aja jarang.
Alemong kan?
Alemong.
Tapi itu
Best loh.
bisa di sini.
With cups and not strings, write my own tunes like I write what I sing. Yeah, my words so pretty, my name is pretty. My voice is pretty. You like my hair, you think just right. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got 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 it. You like my hair, you think just got it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. You're in a ring, but I'm keeping a mixes. Got matching diamonds for six of my bitches. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think retail therapy, my new addiction. Whoever said money, ini gimana sih? Cairnya lupa. They said which one, I said no, I want no name. Happiness is damn price and head. Aku tak tahu di sini. My skin is good, my skin is good. Each time I know you, but this I got a great. Just for the fun, but this and that. I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? You think just got it. I see it, I like it. I want it, I got it. In my red below. Ini apa sih? Nggak tahu aku di sini.
Sini belum maghrib.
When you see them rays, they stuck like my eyes. Make it give me the look, never mind. Aku setuju gini ya, kayak gini ya. Gitu ya deh.
Bentar lagi azan maghrib.
Iya, Cepi puasa ya? Cepi lagi puasa tahu, terus aku tadi minum lagi di depan dia.
Kamu gak lihat?
Iya, enggak lihat.
Apa nih?
Ini di bawah. The years is our business. Go find a girl who wants to listen. Yesterday you have get me wrong. Let's go pick you up. I don't need your love. Cause I already cried enough. I've been
Wow, that's the best.
since we said goodbye. bye. I'm catching up. Sehat selalu, Keti. Perfect. Awalnya gimana, Bang? I found love. I found love for me. Darling, just dive right in. I follow my lead. I follow the... Males ya aku? Musiknya gimana sih? Kayaknya mau udah bisa jadi guru bahasa Inggris. Nah, kalau kayak gini aku nggak bisa. Well, I found the woman. Kalau misalnya nih B, terus ada A nya di depan, bisa disambung aja. Well, I found a woman. Tapi nggak usah dibaca lagi. Well, I found the woman. I found the love. It's very more than just my strangest secret. That love to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love. Fighting and fighting all alone. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Reminder, I'll be your mind. I see my future. I see my future. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you in my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Perfect tonight. Yes. Jadi aku tuh kata-katanya tuh harus benar-benar bisa kayak gitu satu-satu. Tapi emang harus, aku juga kayak gini, kayak satu-satu kata. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you in my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I don't deserve it. Gitu, eyes. Me. Misal nih, so look me in the eyes.
Yes.
Kalau kayak misalkan
Misalnya ini
A,
iya sama Indi.
me,
Kalau mi berarti
the eyes.
D.
D.
Iya. D. Pokoknya yang
D,
penting di
eyes.
depannya D itu di depan.
Ngikutin.
Iya. Kan ini eyes kali ini dia huruf vokal kan.
In the eyes.
In the eyes. Kalau misalnya in the now, misalnya in the now berarti dia in the bukan indi. Gampang.
So jadi
So look me in the eyes, tell me what.
jadi apa itu kalau look?
Look.
Bentuk.
So look.
Jadi
Kok-
bentuk.
Kalau look, oh artinya so look me in the eyes, jadi lihat lihat aku di mata.
Oh, jadi lihat aku di mata.
Tell me, ceritakan apa yang kamu lihat.
During magazines, I wish I could escape. I don't wanna fake. I wish I could erase it. Make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar. Bad liar. Now you know. Now you know that I'm a bad liar. Bad liar. Now you know. You're free to go. Go, go. Gitu kan?
Iya. Ini gimana?
Happiness like diamond rings. Oh,
Ini gimana? Saya tidak tahu.
problems. Oh, I was my world when the world inside. I take my gun to the enemy's side.
Enemy. To the enemy.
I'll be looking for problems, problems. So look me in the eyes. Tell me what you
Seksi suaranya.
perfect paradise. Standing at the sin. I wish I could escape.
Escape.
I don't wanna fight. I wish I could erase it. Make you believe, but I'm a bad liar.
Yeah.
Bad liar. Now you know. Now you know that I'm a bad liar. Bad liar. Now you know. You're free to go.
To go, let's go. Bisa Cepi, cepat. Cepat loh Cepi belajarnya. Nah, saya tidak tahu.
Aku juga tidak tahu.
Oke.
Maghrib itu jam berapa sih?
Sudah mau maghrib.
Enggak, sudah. Kamu ada Samsung nggak? Samsung.
Saya tidak bawa.
Lengkap sih, nggak ada. Nggak bawa. Lengkap.
Mau bawa.
Now you know.
Oke, bentar lagi maghrib.
Cepi mau
Kita
buka puasa,
akhiri
guys.
saja live ini. Terima kasih sudah nonton dan berpartisipasi dalam acara ini.
Kasih dalam acara. Kita belum JR udah 5:30.
Padahal disuruh datang.
Padahal jam. Tadi gue disuruh jam 1.
Iya, aku suka deh belajar sama Wow deh.
Ih, best.
Kayaknya guru aku nanti gini.
It's okay. Nanti aku juga belajar dangdut sama Cepi ya.
Udah ke rumah.
Ya udah kan nanti gitu tanggal itu 24 ya.
Kamu udah apartemen sendiri?
Iya sendiri.
Mending di rumah, ada
Iya.
gitar di rumah. Kamu bisa main gitar?
Dikit. Ya sudah nanti saya main ke tempat
Iya, mainlah ke rumah. Akhirnya ada panggilan.
Halo Kak, apa kabar?
Baik.
Jadi gimana?
Selfie jadi nggak?
Mau maghrib?
Mas Eka?
Dia mau buka puasa.
Mas Eka?
Enggak, mau maghrib.
Mau maghrib dulu.
Mas Eka?
Tanggal kali sih.
Gimana jadi mulai sama selfie?
Kosan 7:40 itu.
Oh ya udah. Dah. Bentar aja.
Aku, ada gimana Kak?
Nanti.
Iya, mau maghrib soalnya.
Oke, baru aja. Oke, baru aja.
Dadah.
Gimana dulu? Biar tenang hatinya.
Dadah guys, see you again.
Yang udah UTM.
Alhamdulillah udah kelas 3.
Alhamdulillah.
Bentar lagi loh.
Ya ampun. Apa? Kamu beliin yang pesanan aku nggak?
Beli, ada.
Pasti kucil banget muka aku.
Tidak, cantik tetap. Mana milih?
Oke guys, jangan lupa like, comment, share, dan